Hi, I'm Chanequa Walker-Barnes. I am Professor of Practical Theology and Pastoral Care here at Columbia Theological Seminary. I like to think of ourselves as the first gift we've ever received from God, the best gift we've ever received from God. Self-care is really how we steward that gift, how we shepherd it. It's the practices that we use to take care of this vessel that allows us to experience life. You know, self-care is a funny thing. We often think we don't have time for it, but if we don't have time, our bodies have a way of making time for other things like illness, right? So either way, we put time into our bodies. We can put time into making our bodies well, or we can put time into caring for our bodies when they're ill. And so it's true that we don't have time because our world is structured in a way that doesn't really make it easy for us. So I like to think of self-care as an act of resistance. I'm a little bit hard-headed. I have a little bit of, kind of this anti-authoritarian streak in me. And so for me, it helps me to think of self-care as kind of my act of rebellion against a world that doesn't make it easy for me to care for myself. Self-care is really a lot more simple than what we often think about it. Sort of the folks who, want to make us buy things and go on trips and do all kinds of special things that require money. They don't want you to know that self-care is as simple as drinking enough water during the day to hydrate yourself, getting good sleep, maybe not cramming meetings together, but allowing yourself 15 minutes. So sometimes self-care starts with just finding one thing you could do for yourself today and doing that one thing. So maybe it's I'll take a few moments to breathe today, or maybe it's I'm going to carry a water bottle around with me all day and make sure I drink enough water today. Or maybe it's I'm going to reach out to a loved one and talk to them or text them and just let them know that I'm thinking about them, right? There are lots of little ways that we can integrate self-care in our lives, and the little really adds up to be a lot.